Sick and twisted.
Deku's really standing up for himself.
Yeah.
Eat it. I'm back, bitches. Today, we're making fruit tarts. Mini fruit tarts.
Forgot to say the show name.
It's Killer Mills and Katsuki!
Okay.
So today we're making pastry cream. Shit. It's only a few simple ingredients. We just have eggs, sugar, milk, vanilla, and I don't know where the fuck my cornstarch is. And this one's gonna help me. If he's any use. Anyway, so first, I'm gonna crack some eggs. We just need the yolks. We don't need the whites. All right? And then we're gonna boil some milk, some sugar, and some vanilla. Vanilla if you're Spanish.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah, Google it.
This is really exciting. We're filming in front of a live studio audience, so it's pretty serious.
Why are you in my house? You're gonna put 2 cups of milk in here and then put it in the pot. You can't fuck that up.
No, I can't. Thank you for believing me. Thank you.
You good?
I'm trying to get the... Will you give me a minute?
Where's that all for one?
Do you want to still be standing by the end of this video?
Can Texas smash that milk?
You do it then. Okay.
4 eggs.
No, touch on.
No. Throw that away.
Okay. Oh.
This is why you do it in a separate bowl, because if you fuck up like that, you can just have scrambled eggs tomorrow.
Hi, I just came to check on Izuku.
Oh, hi, Mom. Hey, touch on.
All right, so you're gonna put half the sugar in the milk.
Half?
Yeah.
In the milk?
No, put all of that.
Okay.
Because that's half. I measured out half already because I don't trust you.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put the other half in the egg yolks. Now, the thing about the egg yolks and sugar, if you don't start mixing it immediately, it's going to curdle. So you mix this until it turns a lighter yellow.
He's going for it.
Mix, damn you!
Is it working?
Yes. So then you're gonna measure vanilla extract, put in the milk. I measure with my heart.
You have one of those? I thought that was funny.
Put it on a boil.
Okay.
Cornstarch, eggs, mix. You need to watch the milk.
Okay, okay.
I want you to slowly pour it in here.
This in there?
Yes,
Okay.
slow.
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 Slow?
Slow. Just start with a trickle.
Okay. Oh fuck, hold on.
You can pour the rest in.
Okay.
That's called tempering. Now we wait for it to thicken. It's thickened. Get the butter from the fridge.
Okay. Got the butter pouch on. shiny.
Not the whole thing. Bam. Butter. Damn right it smells good. Get a bowl!
Okay, wait, but the butter's not melting.
Get a bowl!
Okay. Do you have to pour it from that height?
No, look, whose cooking show is this?
Yep. Yep. Yeah, I'm looking. Okay. Okay. Oh,
Tart shells.
okay. That's really good.
Damn right it is. Who wants to lick my cream?
What?
Who wants to lick my cream?
Bring it, me!
You guys are whores.
Alma, stop being such a bottom! Another bottom!
Lick my cream.
So many bottoms.
That's good. What flavor is it?
So, the beans are so that it doesn't go, because
What is
this happens. It bubbles up, and you don't have enough room for the cream. Just go get the blackberries.
It's okay. You sure you don't want help?
You can get overhead. That's what
Ow. Oh, slobbered on me.
It's the next day, because the pastry cream set past my bedtime. So we're just putting like fucking berries. You can see that, right? We're just putting berries on the tarts. It's easy. Now we're just glazing it with some hot jam. Normally you use apricot. We didn't have apricot jam. It's another shiny. Now it's finished. Why are you still watching? It's done. It's over.